India, a land of diverse landscapes and rich culture, holds within it a state often overlooked, Odisha. Tucked away on the eastern coast, Odisha is a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. From serene lakes to pristine beaches, ancient temples to verdant hills, Odisha has something to offer every traveler. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the best scenic spots this enchanting state has to offer. Odisha's natural beauty is as diverse as its culture. The state boasts a coastline stretching over 480 kilometers, home to pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. Inland, rolling hills and dense forests provide a sanctuary for a wide variety of flora and fauna. Odisha's scenic beauty is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and culture. The people of Odisha are warm and welcoming, their lives deeply intertwined with the land. Their traditions and festivals reflect the state's natural heritage, celebrating the cycles of seasons and the bounty of nature. As we journey through Odisha's scenic landscapes, we'll also uncover the stories of its people and their enduring connection to the land. So, whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or a history buff, Odisha has something to captivate your senses. Let us guide you through the best scenic spots this hidden gem of India has to offer. Our first stop takes us to Chilika Lake, Asia's largest brackish water lagoon. This sprawling water body is a sight to behold, its shimmering surface reflecting the vastness of the sky. Chilika Lake is a haven for migratory birds, with over 160 species flocking to its shores during the winter months. A boat trip on Chilika Lake is an unforgettable experience. As you glide through the calm waters, you'll encounter a diverse array of bird life, from graceful flamingos to majestic Brahmini kites. The lake is also home to Irrawaddy dolphins, their playful leaps adding to the magic of the moment. The islands dotting Chilika Lake are another attraction. Each island holds its own unique charm, from the serene Kali Temple on Kaliai Island to the vibrant fishing community on Satapada Island. A visit to Chilika Lake is a journey into a world where nature reigns supreme. The tranquility of the lake, the vibrant bird life, and the gentle lapping of water against your boat create an atmosphere of peace and serenity. Chilika Lake is a true testament to the beauty of Odisha's natural heritage. Our journey now takes us to Puri, one of India's holiest cities, and home to the revered Jagannath Temple. Puri is a unique destination where spirituality seamlessly blends with the beauty of the sea. The Jagannath Temple, with its towering spires and intricate carvings, dominates the city's skyline. The temple is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Lord Vishnu, and is a major pilgrimage site for Hindus. Witnessing the daily rituals and the grand Rath Yatra festival, where the deities are taken out in colossal chariots, is an experience that stays with you. But Puri is more than just a temple town. Its long stretch of golden sand beach is a sight to behold, especially at sunrise and sunset. The sound of waves crashing against the shore, the cool breeze carrying the scent of the sea, and the sight of fishermen hauling their nets create an atmosphere that is both invigorating and calming. Puri is a place where you can find solace in spirituality and rejuvenation in the embrace of the sea. It's a destination that nourishes the soul and captivates the senses. A short drive from Puri takes us to Konark, home to the magnificent Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This architectural marvel is a testament to the brilliance of ancient Indian craftsmanship. Built in the 13th century, the temple is designed in the shape of a colossal chariot dedicated to the sun god, Surya. The temple's intricate carvings, depicting scenes from Hindu mythology and daily life, are a sight to behold. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the temple complex, the Konark Sun Temple takes on an ethereal beauty. The play of light and shadow accentuates the intricate carvings, transporting you back in time. The temple is a reminder of Odisha's rich history and architectural prowess. It's a place where time stands still, and you can marvel at the ingenuity of a bygone era. The Konark Sun Temple stands as a symbol of Odisha's glorious past and its enduring legacy in art and architecture. It's a must-visit for anyone traveling to Odisha. Section 5. The Wild Side, Simlipal National Park. Our journey now takes us inland to Simlipal National Park, a biosphere reserve and a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Spread over 2,750 square kilometers, Simlipal is a treasure trove of biodiversity. The park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including tigers, elephants, leopards, and over 200 species of birds. A jeep safari through Simlipal is an adventure in itself. As you traverse through dense forests, cross gurgling streams, and navigate winding paths, you'll be greeted by sightings of wildlife in their natural habitat. The park offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature in its rawest form. The experience of spotting a tiger in the wild, witnessing a herd of elephants majestically crossing your path, or listening to the symphony of birdsong in the forest is truly unforgettable. Simlipal National Park is a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural heritage for generations to come. The park is a testament to Odisha's commitment to conservation and a must-visit for anyone seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure. Section 6. The Serenity of Gopalpur Beach. We now head back to the coast, to Gopalpur Beach, a serene and tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Gopalpur was once a bustling port, but today it stands as a laid-back beach town, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. The beach is known for its golden sand, clear blue waters, and gentle waves. A walk along the beach at sunset with the cool breeze caressing your face and the sound of waves crashing against the shore is the perfect way to unwind. Gopalpur is also a great place to indulge in fresh seafood, with local restaurants serving up delicious catches of the day. The town's laid-back vibe, coupled with its natural beauty, makes it an ideal destination for a peaceful getaway. Gopalpur Beach is a hidden gem on Odisha's coastline, a place where you can escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. It's a destination that invites you to slow down, breathe in the fresh sea air, and simply be. Section 7. The ancient caves of Udayagiri and Khandagiri. Our journey through Odisha's scenic spots takes us to the outskirts of Bhubaneswar, the state capital, where we encounter the ancient caves of Udayagiri and Khandagiri. Dating back to the 1st century BC, these caves are a testament to Odisha's rich history and architectural heritage. Carved out of hillsides, these caves served as residential and meditative retreats for Jain monks. The walls of the caves are adorned with intricate carvings depicting scenes from Jain mythology, royal processions, and the life of the common man. Exploring these caves is like taking a step back in time. The silence within the caves, broken only by the chirping of birds, creates an atmosphere of tranquility and contemplation. The Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves offer a glimpse into the past and are a must-visit for history buffs and art enthusiasts alike. They stand as a testament to the architectural ingenuity of ancient India and the enduring legacy of Jainism in Odisha. Section 8. The Cascading Waterfalls of Odisha. No journey through Odisha's scenic spots is complete without experiencing the beauty of its cascading waterfalls. The state is blessed with numerous waterfalls, each with its unique charm. From the majestic Barahipani Falls, the second highest waterfall in India, to the serene Joranda Falls, Odisha's waterfalls offer a visual treat and a refreshing escape from the heat. The sound of water cascading down rocky cliffs, the cool mist rising from the base of the falls, and the lush greenery surrounding these natural wonders create an atmosphere of tranquility and awe. Odisha's waterfalls are a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. They offer a chance to reconnect with nature, rejuvenate your senses, and create lasting memories. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a break from the ordinary, Odisha's waterfalls offer something for everyone. Section 9. Share your travel stories. As we conclude our journey through Odisha's best scenic spots, we invite you to share your own travel experiences. Have you ever been captivated by the beauty of a hidden gem like Odisha? Tell us about your favorite destinations around the world, the places that have left an imprint on your soul. Share your stories, photos, and tips in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to explore the beauty of our planet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!